Hey niggas, so I'm unboxing Lunchy for the first time. Sorry, it's probably broken a little bit because I dropped it down the stairs, probably more than once. And I don't expect this to be good. I'm just gonna rip this fucking box up. All right, we got the pizza. We got our prime. Bro, what the fuck? We got our prime. It's probably upside down. But who cares? We're gonna unbox the pizza first. Use my teeth. I don't got time for this shit, bro. Like, I gotta go to bed.
Did someone discuss this earlier? That's so good, bro.
What are you yapping about?
Did anyone touch this shit?
No. We got the fucking slice, or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Part 2 is coming up, probably in 2 seconds. Bye, guys.
It's done.